Super Cute Bling Nails asks, question, does Mr. Whisperman know how to do nails? If he does, can he show us his work on live, please?
Oh, I don't do nails. I just sit there and make it sound like I know everything.
Lara's asked, what's the white tape you use for press-on nails?
The white tape? Life asks what, white tape to stick the nails on or what?
Yeah, that.
Oh, great question. I like that. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll answer it. Just bear on 1 second. The tape that you're gonna tape the nails on to send off on the box and send it off for the clients. I can show you or I'll give you reviews and ideas of what I thought.
Lara said Nail Whisperer does transfer foil.
Yeah, he does channel for beautiful. It was like he does. You have to see one of the tutorial. It's so funny. He would watching me doing nails, create some cool nails until 2 or 3 o'clock, and fascinating because I don't know what I'm doing.
Transfer foil on his nails before.
Yeah, but he did it. He put the transfer foil gels on the back of the foil and he cured. And he said it worked, okay.
Pretty Nuda said, well, he tried.
Did you try?
No, it worked.
It works for him and half nails. Missing whole entire cuticles. But it works. He tried, at least he tried. Give him a credits for that. Okay, I'll give you a credit for that.
I should do another one.
Oh, you should do another one. It's gonna be...
I prove you wrong.
Alright, so...
I might bring it up a bit. There you go.
Sorry, I was like, my hands move all over places. Sorry, everyone. Alright, so if you want some bling on this one, I just recently spilled all my SS3 in there. But it's okay, I'm seeing I can get some in here. Because I spill it on the side right there, but I'm not going to try to frustrate about it. We have some SS4 to replace it. I think it should be cute anyway. If you don't want to, any crystals, the clients, like for instance, if the clients are working in the medical fields or the places they're not allowed to wear crystal, like what some clients is in the restaurants business that they couldn't get any crystals on, you can absolutely get just like, you know, a floral brush, and you can do is with stickers or just a plain flowers. If they like it, and that's all. You don't have to like doing crystal. I just want some bling on it, that's all. Just my personal preference, I guess. But I have clients that go back and forth. So I mix this one right here. And I spill that, so it's okay. I still have plenty to work with.
And the folks on Facebook just absolutely love your nails.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Great. If you want beads on that, you can't. Like, alright, so I'm gonna key this one. Make sure all my crystal plays on nice, and key this one for 60 seconds.